Whole bunch of stuff for only $200. Tons of video games. What's up, guys? Shadjuice up in here. We are currently on our way to pick up another video game deal. This is another good one. Spending 200 bucks, getting a lot of cool stuff. Probably about 80 to 90 games. There's a few games in there that'll make up the 200 bucks. I mean, there's a lot of pickles in here too, but hopefully they're in good condition. If not, we'll just have to resurface some. But yeah, it should be a good deal. I'm happy with the price, so let's go get it. Hey guys, we're gonna get into this pickup that I got for 200 bucks. Originally she wanted 300. I all countered her 200, and before I could even say anything else, she said meet in the middle at 250, and then I didn't respond because I wasn't by my phone. And she says, you know what, for 200 bucks, come take it. I just want all this stuff gone. So here's what we got. Got a bunch of games, and we got a bunch of systems here. So the only thing bad about the systems is it's missing some cords. There's no controllers, so which I can sell console only, or I got plenty of extra cords and controllers. I got totes of them. So we got a fat PS2 here with 2 memory cards, which is good. All this stuff needs cleaned up. This Dreamcast was solid black, but I cleaned it up a little bit just because I just didn't want to look at it. Just looked too dirty. It looked like somebody was like working on cars all day and was playing around with it. So we got this Xbox 360. It's kind of beat up. I doubt this will work. This isn't the OG model, but yeah. Got all the dust in there. This never tells you what size the hard drive is. Or is it just me? I would assume this is probably like a 60 gigabyte or something. I'm sure I could look it up. I feel like it. But anyways, not sure if that'll work. It's pretty dirty. Got an N64. It does have the power cable, which is good. I have a few broken 64s, and I always try to keep extra memory packs. So when I get one with an expansion pack, I could sell it. So I should be able to get, last time I looked, the market was around $40 for these expansion packs. So I'll switch that out, clean this up, and I got another extra 64 controller from the last game pickup I got, so that works. Like I said, we got the Dreamcast, and it did have a bonus game in it. We got Sonic Adventure. It's a little scratchy, but we can clean that up with my Eco Pro 2. So that's at least $30, I'm pretty sure. There wasn't no other Dreamcast games, which is weird. I know she has to have more stuff somewhere around the house. So we got a Platinum GameCube, which I just sold one of these for $60 free shipping. And if you go on Pirate Ship, you put this in a box and put it in a bag. This went to Los Angeles, the one I sold. When you go on the Pirate Ship and you do cubic rate box in the bag, it only charged me $9. So these can weigh up like what, 4 pounds or something. So that was that's what I'm gonna do with this one. So that'll be easy, $45–50 profit, $45 most likely. And this was the game was in there. And I remember seeing the case, But when I got home, the case wasn't in there. So people that don't know much about video games are like, oh, what would they want for the empty case? So she threw it away, which kind of stinks. I wish she wouldn't even did that, but you can't fault people for that because they just don't know the value of stuff like that. But that's all right. I'll still get at least 40 bucks for the game. We got PlayStation 3. It only had the 2 USB ports, so it's not backwards compatible. But hopefully it works. And then we got an OG Xbox. It definitely needs cleaned up. I think this stuff was out in their garage because there was a bunch of dirt in the bottom of this tote. That's usually what happens. The consoles were in there, but all the games are on a shelf, so let's get into the games. There was actually a lot of original Xbox games, which I didn't really notice at first. We might comp a couple of these while we're doing this. Why not? There's a few in here I had questions about. Try to go through them real quick. Let's get an eBay app ready. Outlaw Golf, Halo, The Punisher. Now this is about a $30 game on PS2. I think it's around 18 to 20 on Xbox because I did look that up. And if you get it on Sega Genesis, it's worth at least 60 bucks. It's been a while since I comped that one. It's been over 100, around 100. But if you ever find a Punisher on Sega, definitely grab that. Dangerous Hunts, Conflict Vietnam, Russia with Love, 007, Starsky and Hutch, Van Helsing, Poker, Hawk. That could be worth something, I'm not sure. True Crime, Streets of LA, Godfather. It might be worth a little bit. Prince of Persia, Quantum Redshift. This is only on Xbox. Now, on the regular Xbox games, they always say only for Xbox if it's an Xbox exclusive. And some people collect just Xbox only games, so might look that up. Let's give that a shot right now. And not much. Maybe 7 or 8 bucks if I'm lucky. Let's do the Hawk, why not? Now that I got the eBay app out right now, I just packed 10 items. That's what I've been doing. So if you didn't know, on the eBay app, right there in the search bar, there's a little camera picture. You hit that, and you go down to scan barcode. You just scan it. Hawk, this isn't a valuable game either, but if you didn't know that, that's a valuable tip. I know people have asked me that before, what scanner I was using. So if you guys needed some clarification, there you go. MVP Baseball, Madden, Doom 3, Star Wars, Dead or Alive 2, Halo 2, Hitman, Cabela's Outdoor Adventures, Tiger Woods, Max Payne. I want to look this one up, Dreamfall and Longest Journey. Not sure about that. Star Wars Starfighter. Another only on Xbox, Sega GD 2002. I think this has a little bit of, yeah, this one comes with Jet Set Radio. So that one's got a little bit of value to it. Outlaw Golf. Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic. I'll probably lot all the Star Wars games up. Then we got Dead or Alive 1 Ultimate. I might put them two together. So that's it for the original Xbox games. Let's get into these 360 games. We got Tiger Woods 10, World Series of Poker, Fight Night Round 3. May have a little bit of value. Fable 2, Major League Baseball 2K6, Call of Duty 3. Alright. There's some good ones, a few good ones in the PSPs. We got Wipeout Pure, Twisted Metal Head-On, Ape Escape Academy, Mortal Kombat Unchained. I know that goes for some money. Star Wars 2 Lego Trilogy, Fifth Element movie. I couldn't tell in the picture what this was. I was hoping it was what's that RPG game that's worth a lot of money? Ah, I can't think of it. Persona. I kind of thought it was Persona at first because it was hard to read the side, but no such luck. Persona on PSP, there's a few of them and they're worth over $100. Hot Shots Golf Open Tee. The Warriors, which is like at least a $30 game on PSP. Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon movie. And Ape Escape on the Loose. There's 2 Ape Escape games. I'm going to lot them together. We're going to scan this Mortal Kombat. I can't remember what this was going for. Looks like it's probably at least a $30 game. Let's see, $27.99, $25. Yeah, about $25 to $30. So that's good. Well, let's look up this Dreamfall game. Maybe about a $20 game. That's cool. Yeah, about a $20 game. So that's awesome. Let's see if this still sells. It ain't got a barcode. I don't feel like messing with it. So, decent little PSP lot. She didn't have a PSP console. She didn't have a Dreamcast console. And she had a Dreamcast. She didn't have Dreamcast games. And she didn't have a Sega Saturn, which was kind of weird. Like I said, she's got to keep looking. We got SimCity 2000. Space Jam, which actually goes for a little bit of money. And Myst, which that's not really worth nothing. These cases are pretty trash too, so it kind of sucks. Let's see what Space Jam's going for on eBay. $40 disc only. Ain't nothing coming up. Complete, about 50 bucks. So we have to get a new front part of the case for that and get it together. And that's about a $50 game. So awesome. Saved the best for last, which are some really few good ones in the GameCube, which you already seen, the Mario Sunshine. Like I said, there wasn't a ton of great games, but there's some high quality ones. We got Sonic Heroes. This is the PS2 section here. Lord of the Rings, Music Maker, 007, Kingdom Hearts, Crash Bandicoot, NFL Street 2, which that should be good. Wolverine's Revenge, Done, Soul Calibur 2, Prince of Persia, God of War, CAA 2004, Rally Fusion, which I've never gotten that one before. I'll probably keep that. Another Prince of Persia, another original God of War. Leisure Suit Larry. Does this sell? I'm not sure if this one sells anymore, or if it does. Help Larry earn a BA in TNA. This is not a kid-friendly game, if you didn't know. It's about around a $17 to $20 game. Ain't bad. We'll take it. Sims Busting Out, NBA Streets, Medal of Honor, Enter the Matrix, Need for Speed, Lord of the Rings, Mortal Kombat, Battlefront 2, Sly Cooper, Tony Hawk's Underground, Madden Dog Killer 2004, Constantine, I might look that up, Terminator 3 Rise of the Machines, let's see here, Constantine is not that much. Alright, let's get into cream of the crop here. There's a couple heavy hitters in here. We got NBA Courtside 2002 with the late Kobe Bryant, man. This is such a sad thing that happened with him, man. We got a Mega Man Anniversary Collection. Is this the one that's worth a lot of money? There's two. There's one on GameCube that's worth some money. And it ain't this one. It's about a $10 game. You got Metroid Prime. Army Men Real-Time Strategy. 007, Everything for Nothing. Paper Mario, which last I checked, it was around a $100 game. It might have went down. We got Super Mario Strikers. It's missing the manual, but I just sold one complete for like 70 bucks, I think, at least. So we definitely got our money's worth here for 200 bucks. We're going to make some money. Just going to have to do a little bit of work here. Do want to check and see how much Paper Mario is going for now. Complete. People are asking 90. Let's see what it's actually hitting for here. About 90 bucks, 95 bucks. So, that's good. So guys, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really happy with the 200 bucks I spent. And I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.